Hi, students. Our lesson for today is on how to convert numbers with trailing zeros to your desired number of significant figures. So this is where we apply our previous knowledge of about significant figures and um, about how to convert trailing zeros to the desired number of significant figures. So for example, you have a number here, which is 1,000, and you wanted to convert this to two significant figures. So let's examine the number first. So 1,000 contains one significant figure. And if we write 1,000 with a decimal at the end, this would be a number with four significant figures. So how do we convert 1,000 to two significant figures? Some of you may say, oh, just write this one and you get two significant figures. I'm going to give you an example of why that is not supposed to be what it is. So if you have 1,000 and your mom says, I'll give you an allowance of 1,000 and I will convert it to two significant figures. And instead of 1,000, your mom will give you $10. Will you be okay with it? It's not fair. I need 1,000 from my allowance. Yes. Therefore, you need to know how to convert this to two significant figures. So the easiest way to do this is to use your knowledge in writing scientific notation. Scientific notation was our previous lesson, and this is how you can apply your knowledge in writing scientific notation. So the best way to write 1,000 in two significant figures is to write it this way. In this form, you are writing 1,000 with two significant figures. Okay? Now, let's say next question. What about if I want to convert the same number? So let's say convert the same number to three significant figures. Okay? So we are converting the same number, which is 1,000, to three significant figures. So we're going to do the same process. So this time we are going to write 1,000 in scientific notation with three significant figures. Okay. This form, the number before times 10 raised to the power 3 tells you the number of significant figures. So what's the difference between them? Here, because you are looking for two significant figures, so there's two digits before times 10 raised to 3. This time, you're converting it to three significant figures, so there's three digits before times 10 raised to 3. I hope that's clear, and I hope that helped you in your conversion of numbers with trailing zeros to the desired numbers of significant figures.